Hi there. Today we are going to be talking about volume. Now, most people know, or most fifth graders know, that the volume for any rectangular prism, rectangular prism, is going to be the length times the width times the height. And as a fifth grader, that's really all you're responsible to know, is the length times width times height formula. And so if I give a kid this formula, and I give a kid a shape that looks like this or that looks like this, the kids do great. Like if I put any numbers here, if they're fractions, if they're decimals, they're doing really good doing that. But the minute I give them something that looks like this, it's more than they can handle. Actually, after struggling with this for a while, last week I actually gave them a shape that looked like this and then a shape that looked like this, and I had everybody find the volume. Most kids could do both of these perfectly. I literally took this and put them together, like on a third problem, and had the same numbers, and they got it wrong. And it's because they're really struggling with the idea of decomposition. Decomposition means breaking any shape down into its parts. Okay, so taking this shape and sort of mentally being able to pull it apart into these two shapes right here, this rectangular prism, and then this is supposed to be a cube, or I actually don't think it's a cube. It's close to a cube, though. It's not far off. And so I'm going to just make a little video where I kind of break it down for you, and you can see how this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my work right here so that I don't have it on the same page. So I have this shape right here, and if I break it down into, again, the tall, sort of skinny rectangular prism and then the shorter, more cube-like rectangular prism, I end up with 8 for my height. Okay, so I've got length times width times height. So 8 is going to be my height. Okay, and then here, if I know that this is 4, then I also know that this measure right here is 4, and then this would be 4, and this would be 4, and this would be 4. So if this is 4, this is 4, and I'm working off a picture that I drew, so it's not perfect, but we're going to pretend like it's perfect. So if this is 4, this is 4. Now I need to find out. So I've got a width and I've got a height. I just need the length, so I need to go down here. Now I know that the whole thing is going to be 7. And so what I need to do is I actually need to go over here and say, okay, so this measure is 3, which if this is 3, that means this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. I can actually go ahead and put those in for myself because I know that those are all going to be the same because we're working with right shapes here. So if this is 3 and this is 7, that means this measure has to be 4. So what I end up with is 4 times 4 times 8, or I could look at it as 16 times 8, and I already worked this math out, but so I know that 16 times 8 is going to be 128. Okay, so that's part of it. So I've gotten this piece right here. Now I need to go back and do this piece, and this one's actually pretty simple this time because my length times width times height this time is going to be, my height is 3, and my width is 3. And my length is going to be 4. So I end up with 4 times 3 times 3, which is 9 times 4, which is 32. And now what I need to do is I need to, just like I took and kind of added these together, I need to take their volumes and add them together. So I'm going to take 128 plus 32 and get a total of 164. And let's just say we were working with inches here, inches cubed. And that's it. It's just decomposition. These are very simple numbers. We just need to decompose them and multiply them and put them back together. All right, thank you. Bye.